Hello, and welcome to the Berkeley Global Chemistry Visiting Student Program Information Session. I am Audrey Folk, and I am an enrollment advisor for our Berkeley Global programs. I'm going to tell you all about the incredible academic and cultural experience you can have with our Chemistry Visiting Student Program. I'll start by talking about UC Berkeley, then talk about the courses you'll take, then the activities you can take advantage of outside of the classroom, and then finally, how you can apply to be a part of this short-term study abroad program. If you have any questions during this presentation, go ahead and send them in. I'll do my best to answer your questions as I go through the presentation. Let's get started. UC Berkeley is located in California, which is on the west coast of the United States. In California, UC Berkeley is located a little north of the middle of the state, with San Francisco being the closest city. We're also very close to Silicon Valley, which is the hub and epicenter for advances in technology and product development. Facebook, LinkedIn, Google, and Airbnb are just a few of the companies that are located in the Silicon Valley. UC Berkeley was founded in 1868, and since then we've been guided by our motto, Fiat Lux, which means that our duty is to bring new knowledge to light for all students across the globe. For the past few years, UC Berkeley has been a top-ranked public university by U.S. News and World Report, by the Academic Ranking of World Universities by Shanghai Jiao Tong University, and by the World Reputation Rankings by Times Higher Education in the UK. We are also number 1 on the Best Global University Rankings. We are proud of this achievement as our mission is to provide a world-class education to an increasingly global community of learners. And this is no surprise given that 24%, or 10,000 of our students, come from countries outside of the United States. And these students are coming from 92 different countries across the globe. UC Berkeley has 14 colleges and schools. The one I'll be talking about is our College of Chemistry. The central mission of the College of Chemistry is to advance society through education and research. We have made it our responsibility to fulfill this mission year in and year out for nearly 150 years. The College of Chemistry comprises the Department of Chemistry and the Department of Chemical and Biomolecular Engineering. Both disciplines provide the opportunity and means for addressing major scientific and technological challenges, such as climate change, increasing the world's food supply, synthesizing new materials, and discovering and delivering important drugs. The college prides itself on a balanced approach to science with research areas ranging from experimental to theoretical. In this program, you will receive a world-renowned chemistry education. Did you know Berkeley faculty and alumni have won a combined 31 Nobel Prizes in chemistry, including awards in 2020 and 2018. 16 elements of the chemistry periodic table were discovered at Berkeley. Dozens of college faculty are members of the National Academy of Science and National Academy of Engineering. As a student in our Chemistry Visiting Student Program, you'll have the opportunity to access the brightest minds and scientists. Our mission is to educate students who will become world-class scientists, researchers, educators, and entrepreneurs. The Chemistry Visiting Student Program is a short-term academic study abroad opportunity with 2 different start dates each year. You can apply to start the program in the fall term, which begins in August and ends in December. You could also apply for the spring term, which begins in January and ends in May. Or you could do both fall and spring semesters for a full academic year. The program is designed for top qualifying international students who are interested in enhancing their graduate school application or want to start a chemistry or STEM-related career.
You have the option to pick one of our curriculum tracks. Each semester you'll take a total of 24 academic units. To reach that 24 academic units, you'll take 12 semester units in either the Computational Chemistry or Chemical Biology track, a 1 semester unit, Chemistry Visiting Scholars Experiential Seminar, and then 11 semester units of electives in upper division or graduate level courses. I want to highlight that we recommend that you complete a physical chemistry course prior to enrolling in this program in order to obtain in-depth knowledge in chemical biology or computational chemistry. If you have not already completed this course, you will take this class during your first semester in Berkeley.
Let's take a closer look at the chemical biology track. This chemical biology track highlights organic chemistry, quantitative thermodynamics, and kinetics, which are necessary to understand the logic of biological systems. This set of courses is perfect if you are interested in a career as a professional chemist or in the biological sciences such as biomedical, biotechnology, and pharmaceutical industries. On this slide, you'll see a list of courses that are specifically curated for the chemical biology track. In general, you'll choose 2 or 3 of these courses. These courses range from studying the principles of chemistry and applying them to the study of biological systems to learning experimental techniques of biochemistry and molecular biology. You will also take our special experiential course where you will get additional support for your academic success and professional growth in the field of chemistry. You will have opportunities to network and connect with Berkeley leaders in STEM and at San Francisco Bay Area companies and research hubs and labs. Depending on your course load, you can also take electives or other general chemistry courses. I'll show you these classes in an upcoming slide. Now let's take a look at the computational chemistry track. Through the lens of chemistry, this track will train you in data science and computational science so that you will have the tools to prepare for multidisciplinary research and study in the fields of molecular science, high-performance computing, software engineering, and big data analytics. Like the other track, in general, you'll choose 2 or 3 of these courses. Here are the classes you can take. Learn how we use computers to solve modern problems in physical chemistry. Study quantum mechanics from a computational and informational theoretic perspective. Or learn about material and energy balances as applied to chemical process systems. Students in this track will also take the experiential course to support your academic success and professional growth in the field of chemistry. Again, depending on your course load, you can also take electives or general chemistry classes. Here are some sample general chemistry classes that you could potentially take. We have a few courses that are specific to physical chemistry. A couple of electives that I want to highlight. The research for advanced undergraduates allows you to pursue original research under the direction of one of our staff members. This is pending faculty permission. You must have a minimum 3.4 GPA to be considered. The special topics elective covers various areas and are offered from time to time. Past examples include photochemical air pollutions and computers in chemistry. Finally, the special laboratory study elective is available for advanced undergraduates who can take advantage of special laboratory work under the direction of one of our staff members. Again, this is pending faculty permission. Faculty in the College of Chemistry are engaged in teaching and research in a wide range of applications and subdisciplines. The Chemical and Biomolecular Engineering Facility has established world-renowned research programs in thermodynamics, surface catalysts, electrochemical processes, fluid mechanics, separation and transport processes, polymer processing, and control systems. New research being explored includes biochemical engineering, nanotechnology, and the study of electronic and optical materials. Faculty in the chemistry department are currently interested in research that includes analytical, inorganic, organic, and physical chemistry, as well as diverse areas such as nanoscience, nuclear, biophysical, materials and atmospheric chemistry, and structural and chemical biology. Here are just a couple of our faculty members who you'll be learning from. Dr. Michelle Chang is a professor of chemistry and in chemical and biomolecular engineering. Her research laboratory utilizes the approaches of biochemistry, molecular and cell biology, metabolic engineering, and synthetic biology to address problems in energy and human health. A unifying theme of her projects is a focus on gaining a detailed molecular understanding of how living cells control enzymatic processes within the context of the entire metabolic network. Dr. Philip Gessler is the Aldo D. Benedictis Distinguished Professor of Chemistry. His research focuses on the microscopic behavior of complex biological and material systems. Using the tools and concepts of statistical mechanics, Philip and his team developed theories and simplified models for chemical phenomena in condensed phases for biomolecular structure and dynamics for the role of fluctuations in nanoscale materials. You'll be spending a lot of time inside the classroom learning exciting new subjects and outside of the classroom doing your homework and studying. But we want to make sure that your time with us is enjoyable and that you get to experience life in Berkeley to its fullest. The Bay Area is the innovation capital of the world, with companies from virtually every industry within 50 miles of campus. Located in the hills above the UC Berkeley campus is the Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory's Molecular Foundry, Advanced Light Source, and National Energy Resource Computing Center. Founded in 1931 by Nobel Prize-winning physicist Ernest O. Lawrence, Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory, also called Berkeley Lab, is one of 17 U.S. Department of Energy national labs. Take a tour of this exciting lab that hosts 4,200 scientists, engineers, support staff, and students who are conducting research in areas ranging from supercomputing to physics and beyond. You'll also have exclusive opportunities to visit the world's top computer hardware manufacturers at their research and development facilities. Get an inside look at Intel Corporation, Applied Materials, AMD, Celera, Infineon, GCT Semiconductor, or Global Foundries. If you're interested in attending graduate school, including our Master of Molecular Science and Software Engineering program, take advantage of our graduate school admission workshops, where you'll learn tips and best practices to make your application as competitive as possible. Take advantage of opportunities to receive undergraduate research training at our cutting-edge and award-winning facility laboratories. Start by researching areas of interest and then approaching faculty to be considered. Perfect ways to gain skills in planning, communication, and presentation and influence. Once you are in a lab, you will learn from graduate students and faculty on how to develop research methods, think through scientific problems, and effectively communicate scientific findings. Through this exclusive opportunity, you will gain a better understanding of the personal attributes required to be a successful scientist. At the beginning of the program, you'll attend an orientation and welcome lunch, a chance to get to know your fellow students as well as the College of Chemistry faculty and staff. You'll also connect with your fellow students during cohort lunches throughout the program, some featuring guest speakers from Berkeley leadership. And we've made time for you to do sightseeing in our beautiful city and state. The campus itself offers numerous trails and walking tours. You can easily take public transportation to get to San Francisco, where you can hop on a streetcar, shop in Union Square, grab fresh seafood at Fisherman's Wharf, take in a basketball game, or wander around our many culturally diverse neighborhoods. We are also a short drive from excellent wineries, redwood forests, amazing beaches, and incredible mountains. California has so much to do and enjoy. To mark the end of your education at Berkeley, attend a closing ceremony at the College of Chemistry to celebrate your achievement. The inspirational and lively event overlooking the UC Berkeley campus with views of the San Francisco Bay features a keynote speaker, speeches from fellow classmates, the presentation of your certificates of completion, and a farewell reception. After the ceremony, mingle with your fellow classmates over food and drinks and take in the beautiful view. Many of you may be wondering, where am I going to live? And that's an important question. We have a variety of housing options that are very close to campus where you'll be taking courses. One option is similar to a dorm where meals, activities, Wi-Fi, and such are included. Some students rent private or shared apartments. Some students prefer homestays. We have staff members who can help you determine and select the right housing option for your needs and your budget. We estimate that you'll be spending around $10,500 per semester on your housing. Your housing cost is not included in the overall program cost. A question I get asked a lot from students is how much the program costs. The total cost is $21,900 per semester, which includes tuition and all program enhancements like lab visits and graduate school coaching. Don't forget that housing is not included in the cost, but we estimate that housing will cost about $10,500 per semester. So for one semester, the cost would be $32,400. We also offer scholarships. Scholarships are available up to $5,000, and you do need to apply for the scholarship at the same time as when you apply for the program, and you will need to apply early. To apply for the scholarship, you'll need to submit an online application which includes an essay on the following topic. In 500 to 750 words, describe what characteristics, ambitions, and goals make you different or stand out from your peers, and how you plan to contribute to the College of Chemistry during your year of study. In addition, you'll need to have a professional or academic colleague send a letter of recommendation. This colleague could be a faculty member or teacher from your current studies, or a supervisor or manager from work. I have been telling you all about the wonderful studying and sightseeing opportunities you can have with this program, but I want you to see it for yourself. Take a look at this video from a recent Berkeley Global graduate on her experience in Berkeley.
Just a young gun with a quick fuse. I was uptight, wanna let loose. I was dreaming of bigger things and wanna leave my own life behind. Not a yes sir, not a follower. Fit the box, fit the mold, ever see it in the foyer. Take a number, I was lightning before the thunder.
So how do you get started on this exciting educational opportunity at the College of Chemistry? We accept applications from top qualified students who have a minimum GPA of a 3.0. This is a competitive academic program, so we do have an English language proficiency requirement. You can see the tests and scores that we accept on this screen. You'll need to submit a statement of purpose specifically about this program. This essay should include information about your background and academic achievements, why you're interested in the program, any extracurricular activities you're especially proud of, and anything else you'd like the admissions committee to know about you and your ability to succeed here as a student. The statement is also a chance for you to address any anomalies in your educational transcript. Finally, you'll also need to submit a financial statement, official university transcripts, and a copy of your passport. There's also a non-refundable application fee that you pay for when you submit your application. The application is entirely online. You will upload your educational and financial documents and complete the application process electronically. Thank you for submitting your questions, many of which I have been able to answer during the presentation. Here are a few more that have come in. What is UC Berkeley Global? That is a great question. Berkeley Global extends the reach of UC Berkeley's impact by providing access and opportunities to a broad and diverse community of learners from around the world. UC Berkeley Global works closely with the College of Chemistry to offer this program. The College of Chemistry provides its amazing faculty, facilities, and coursework, and their terrific network. UC Berkeley Global provides the administrative support necessary for this program to run smoothly. UC Berkeley Extension is the administrative department of Berkeley Global. At the end of the program, you will receive a certificate from the Berkeley College of Chemistry and UC Berkeley Extension, as well as a transcript from UC Berkeley Extension. Can I transfer these classes to my home university? The majority of students are wanting to transfer credits either back to a home university or to another program after finishing this program of study. And students do receive a transcript, and those credits are transferable. We work very closely with students to help you get what you need to either show your home university or the university where you're looking to transfer to after this program. It is the student's responsibility to make sure that the credits will transfer. Will completing this program make me more eligible to be admitted into a degree program at UC Berkeley? While this will not give you priority admission to a degree program, it will strengthen your academic resume. Your admission to a formal degree program is dependent on how strong your application is. It's a holistic admissions process, meaning the admission committee will look at your entire educational and professional background, including your attendance in this program. As the program will strengthen your resume and your academic background, it may be helpful for admission to any degree program at any university, but it is not necessarily going to give you a priority. Well, that's all the time I have to take your questions. But if you have any additional questions that I wasn't able to answer, here is contact information for the program. My team and I would love to hear from you and discuss how this program can fit your educational and professional goals. If you haven't already done so, I suggest filling out our newsletter sign-up form on the website. You'll receive emails about the program, upcoming deadlines, and other information. Thank you again for taking the time to learn about the Chemistry Visiting Student Program, and I hope to see you in Berkeley soon. Go Bears!